Communication class presentation. This is Simranjit Kaur. Today I, along with my fellow team members, are going to present on the latest media technology topic, the drone. First of all, I would like to introduce my fellow team members.
Hi, this is Prabjit Kaur.
Hello everyone, this is Jeevanjot.
Hi guys, my name is Rhythm.
Hi, this is Sakshi.
Drones are often celebrated for their ability to capture a new vantage point on the world, revealing the beauty of our planet from high above. But they are only the latest development in a long history of aerial photography. For hundreds of years, airborne cameras have made awe-inspiring images of our beautiful planet, revealed the devastating scale of natural disasters, and tipped the scales in combat. And to our most surprise, history of aerial photography dovetails with the last century of human history more broadly. Commercial photography was developed in the mid-19th century before adventurous amateurs launched cameras into the sky using balloons, kites, and rockets. The first successful aerial photograph was taken in 1858 from a hot air balloon tethered at a height of 262 feet. The original photo was lost, but there is the artificially created photo in this slide. Later on, George Lawrence used panoramas by strapping large format cameras with the curved film plates to kites.
The search for aerial photography didn't end here. In 1903, German engineer Alfred Moll demonstrated a gunpowder rocket that, after reaching 2,600 feet in just 8 seconds, destined a parachute-equipped camera that made photos during its descent. In the same year, German scientist Bonvillain took first photo from an aeroplane over La Mans in France in 1908, but the actual success was achieved in 1946 when first photo from space was taken by Nazi rocket, which led to the development of modern drones. This ultimately led to the development of modern-day drones. The first modern drone was developed by Israeli engineer Abraham Karim in 1980s. This drone was equipped with video cameras to monitor the person of interest for hours at a time. The Predator drone, which was developed by engineer Abraham Karim, rose in popularity during the Afghanistan and Iraq wars for its ability to loiter over areas for an extended period of time, making it useful for monitoring the daily routine of potential targets. Moving further, drones have been around for many years. They are used for several different purposes and can be very useful in many areas. However, drones have become much popular in recent times and their application has increased rapidly in various fields. Before we get to this, let's answer the main question. What is drone and how can we define it? The word drone has several different meanings and it originates from the Old English word dran or dreen, which means male bee. When talking about a drone as an electric device, we often think of a missile or a remote-controlled pilotless aircraft. So what is drone in context of an unmanned aerial vehicle? One of the most used definitions for drone is an unmanned aircraft or a ship that can navigate autonomously with human control or beyond the line of sight. Another frequently used definition is drone is an unmanned aircraft or a ship that is guided remotely. So moving on to next slide. How do drones work and what are their main features? In order to understand better how drones fly and work, we need to know some basic information about the construction of a typical drone. Drones or unmanned aerial vehicles are made from different light composite materials in order to increase maneuverability while flying and reduce their weight. They can be equipped with a variety of additional equipments, which include cameras, GPS guided missiles, global positioning systems, navigation systems, sensors, and various other drone software and hardware. Drones can come in a broad range of shapes, sizes, and with various functions. The vast majority of today's models can be launched by hand and they can be operated with the remote control or from special ground cockpits. The commercial models come in small sizes and have simplified construction. These drones are suitable even for kids because they are very easy to control. Though there are different variations in the frame and construction of drones, but the essential components that every drone must have is a waterproof motor frame, flight and motor controllers, motors, transmitters and receivers, propellers, and a battery or any other source of energy. Yes, these small aerial aerocrafts are able to pack a lot of accessories into their metal or plastic frames. Most drones are ready to fly upon purchase.
Drones are used in many areas and have many applications. There is no end when it comes to their possibilities. Therefore, the areas of applications are numerous today, and there is growing use of drones all around the world. The first application is they are used in search and rescue operations such as in firefighting to determine the amount of carbon dioxide, carbon oxide in air. They are used for security as many authorities use drones to protect people during emergencies. They are used for inspection of various power lines, wind turbines to avoid hassle and safety issues involved with sending a human to check things out. They are used for surveillance and scientific research. Most commonly, they are used in aerial photography and video as they are equipped with an HD camera to take fascinating photos and shoot footage of great quality from sky. Moving further, while the advantages of drones are numerous, it's also a technology that can easily be abused because UAVs can be manipulated to invade the privacy of a specific target group or individual. With the many causes calling for using drones to maintain safety, many personal liberties could be violated in the name of providing personal or public security with a drone. This is the most disadvantage of a drone camera. Moreover, they are also endangering public safety, as safety is a primary concern when dealing with aerial drones. Drones are even vulnerable to wild animals attacks can also pose a threat to nature. And I would say some drones today have artificial intelligence installed in their software. Artificial intelligence is software that makes machines think and behave like human beings.